Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to update your Instagram application on your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone itself, the Instagram application, so we can now bring the iPhone into the frame. If we require the charging, we can charge the iPhone, so you will never run out of charge. The phone itself is now charging. And so, navigate to the Instagram application. Make sure you're signed into the account and then go back to your iPhone homepage. Go to the App Store. Search for Instagram. You should see update. Click on update. And now the application itself will update. And we will see the changes take place once we press open. Go to your profile. And now, once we press the side, the three lines, usually we used to see it come from the side, and now it comes from the bottom of the screen. Swipe down. More changes have taken place. We will make another video in regards to that. Go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.